Hello everyone, today this is going to be a ceiling fan video. It is a Hunter ceiling fan because I don't know what it is yet, but I will get a comment review soon or a subscriber to think what fan it is. But if you guys know, please tell me in the comment section below. Alright, let's start with the light. And by the way, it's missing a screw on the light. There's three screws, and it's from that side. It's missing the screw from there. Alright, we're gonna start with low. Here's low. We don't use this fan much. We use it when it smells bad in here. Alright, here goes medium. This looks like the fan at my aunt's house in her master bedroom. Oh, it's wobbled a little bit. So this is where I have to hold it. Hold it. Alright, here's high. Wow, it's going so fast. I'm so free. Turn on the light and turn the fan off. There we go. That was fast. Alright, that's it. Oh wait, there's another fan in there. There's two in there. Alright, bye.